Hey, VisionAutoworks here, showing a completed brake caliper system rebuild for a 2016 Mercedes AMG GT S. This vehicle is equipped with 6-piston Akebono front calipers, as you can see here, and rear single-piston TRW units. These are rebuilt, brand new seals. Everything cleaned up, internal and external. So all dust boots, piston seals replaced. And as you can see here, all new hardware as well. And then obviously these have been powder coated. Color is illusion orange. And everything that we can replace, we try and replace for the customer. So here is the new bleeder valves, new boots for those bleeder valves. We have the same new bleeder valves on the rear calipers as well. They're kind of propping up the fronts right now. And then of course, to get that OEM look back, everything is, we get the custom decals cut out, and we always make another set for the customer. So in the future, if he needs to replace them, it's a easy, peel and stick on. So looks exactly like it was before, except completely refinished in the color that the customer wanted here. So if you're looking for a brake caliper rebuild for your car, give us a call, 469-440-9449. You can also check out our brake rebuild service online, and we can do something like this for you guys.